Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Now it's time to take a look at the gold market. So yesterday we have created the trading plan for the rest of the week. We said market has hit the intermediate targets. Naturally it should be some response, some pullback here, which we intend to consider for taking the long position because our major pattern is not completed yet. Since it has the target slightly above this area, although the potentially it also could lead to retesting of the top because some intraday extension stands around the 35.20 area, 35 even. That's what we have to the upside. Speaking about the entry process, it might be a bit tricky because the validation point of this pattern stands too far. So this grabber remains valid until market stands above these lows actually. And here retracement might be of any depth, so it might be even deep retracement, some kind of the ABCD pattern to the upside to complete the target. That makes the overall process a bit difficult, but at the same time, according to our trading plan, we're trying to estimate the points where the entry process will be as safe as possible. Let us to protect positions with the break-even stops, turning the odds in our favor, and if even later it will be clear that this is not yet the reversal point, we will be able to out at the break-even or even with some profit. So this is our task for now. By taking a look at the fall time frame chart, yesterday we said that this market hits the COP, might be some retracement, but as we said, we prefer, at least on this stage, if we consider this pattern, at this stage we prefer to not see the return back of the market inside of the channel. We prefer to see that it might be ABCD down, no problem, but it would be better if market will stay above 33 area and will not drop too deep back down inside of the channel and below this trend line. This is currently what we are watching for. The levels that we have specified yesterday worked nice, so we could see the first retracement has happened precisely at the 33-35 area, so our confidence level. Here probably you could recognize the butterfly on intraday charts. This minor butterfly exists. So anyway, if you have taken position here, that's great. Now you have a positive result. You could move stops to the break-even and see what will happen, whether the market will reestablish the upward direction or not. If you have missed this opportunity, currently the overall task will be not as simple as yesterday. And here's what you could consider. I would focus on this bullish grabber that has been formed. So if you plot here the MACD predictor, you will see that we have this grabber. And it confirmed by the futures price on the gold. Market stands very close to its lows, but there are risk factors. So you can see these two bearish grabbers exist as well. They suggest that market should drop at least below this low, but you can see that this low and that low stands very close to it, so it means that if market starts dropping, probably it will take out both. So that's the risk. At the same time, these grabbers might not work just because we have the bullish context here, thrusting action here, some kind of the retracement inside of it. This low stands, so market just could reverse up again. That's the first opportunity. Second way, if you still prefer to not risk too much and better to sit and see what will happen, you're afraid that this market maybe will drop down and could be deep retracement. Okay, so in this case, you could just watch for this extension down if you suggest that retracement might be more extended. It might be the ABCD pattern, and if these grabbers will start working, it might be appearing of the butterfly here. You can see that the targets of the butterfly stands very close to the final OP destination points. So that's actually two scenarios. Either to wait and see for more clarity, maybe appearing of the particular patterns, or just try and take position here based on these grabbers, placing stop just below this area and see what will happen. It's not as attractive as yesterday, buying right at the confluence with the butterfly pattern on the back. Actually very similar to the price action of the euro currency that we discussed today in the video. But still, it might be considered, or at least you could combine both. Just take the minor position here, for instance, 20% your trading lot. See what will happen. If it drop more, you could add more later, or just close on a stop here with this very small loss if you will be just 20% of your trading lot, and be prepared for another entry slightly lower. So that's actually the only things that probably could be done, or just do nothing, wait, maybe something more interesting will appear very soon. Chances that market could start upward action right from here are not really bad, mostly because the same situation stands on the euro and the Great British Pound. So if you take a look at today's euro analysis, you will take a look at the chart of the Great British Pound, you will see that upward action really could continue very soon. So just taking it all together, just think, decide, make a choice.